Hello all, my name is Miles and this is my weed ID 2. First on our list is the bull thistle, aka scientific name Cirsium vulgare. It is native to Europe, West Asia, and North Africa and came to America in the 1800s, supposedly with early settlers. It festers in disrupted areas like construction zones where fields and stuff have been cleared, so they don't have any natural competition. Um, they're not beneficial to any type of wildlife. The spines that they have make them inedible to almost everything, except maybe goats, maybe. And it just outcompetes native species, especially this newly disrupted land. They don't have anything to compete with them, and I guess they'll just take over a field really quick. Here's my herbarium sample. Next, we have the field bindweed, scientific name Convolvulus arvensis. It's native to Europe and Asia and is a climbing weed. It uses existing plants and structures to outcompete or get the best light. It's even after death, its seeds can persist in the soil for decades, which makes it hard to get rid of. You have to use sterilization methods and all that, especially if you are a farmer. It also produces toxins harmful to both plants and animals. I think this is one of the ways that it's able to outcompete other plants and all that other stuff. So if it is eaten by certain things, it'll either taste bad or it could possibly kill the animal eating it. So yeah, add that to the weeds. Here's my herbarium sample. And the last on our list is the Japanese daughter, Cascuta japonica choisei. It's native to Japan and is a parasitic plant. It'll eventually kill the host. It'll actually pierce the plant with something called a hostoria, which is the end of these long yellow tendril things, and it affects the xylem and phloem movement up and down the tree. So that's basically kind of like our the circulation system to the plant, or whatever it infects. So if you mess with that, it eventually dies. And then yeah, I think we have a pocket of this in Manteca, which is where I was able to find my sample, which is this one right here. It starts out kind of yellow, like it's seen in the old one, but once it starts to dry out, this is actually kind of like a succulent when it's still alive, but when it dries out, it turns like a nasty brown, and here you go. And I got all my sources from invasive plant species, or invasiveplantatlas.org. And yeah, I received most of my plants. The first two I got from my backyard, and the last one I got from work, which is something where is an actual project that people are trying to get rid of. Thank you. Have a good day.